Hi everyone, it's Miss Elise from the Morristown and Morris Township Library here, and today's craft, can you guess? It's shadow puppets! So I'm going to teach you guys how to make some very simple shadow puppets using only your hands, a flashlight, and yourself. That's it. So let's get into how to do it. So to do this first shadow puppet, we're going to be doing a bird. So this is fairly simple. All you're going to need are your two hands. And what you're going to do is you're going to wrap one around the other, like so. And if you can see behind me, it creates a bird. Isn't that neat? Now let's try making a shadow puppet rabbit. So you're going to take your hand and you're going to kind of position it in such a way where you're holding up two fingers, like so, but your hands are kind of stacked on top of one another, like so. So you get the crux of the bunny's little mouth. And I got the little rabbit. To make a cat, you're going to take your hand and you're going to put it into a bit of this formation. And you are then going to lift down your two middle fingers so that only the pinky and your index finger are curved like so. And this creates a lovely little cat. If you want to make a crocodile, you're going to place both of your hands open, like so, on top of each other on the wrists, and you are then going to maneuver it so that way your fingers look like teeth. If you want to make a spider, you're going to place your two hands crossed over like we did for the bird, except you're going to fold your two thumbs in and spread out your fingers so that way it creates a little bit of a spider motion. In order to make a dog, on the other hand, all you need to do is have your hand set out like so, and simply lower your pinky. And if you want to add a little bit of a begging paw, connect your arm near your wrist so that way the dog looks like it's begging. In order to make a deer, you're going to hold your hand out like we did for the dog, but curve it in slightly. You are then going to place your other hand on top in sort of an open position so that way your deer has little antlers. If you want to make a face, you're going to pull out your hand like a fist and turn it down, maneuvering your fingers so that way the shadow looks like it has a face. Hey there guys, how's it going? If you want to make a goose, you're going to put your index finger on top of your middle finger so that it creates a hole like so. You're then going to separate the bottom two, the last two fingers, and put them on top of each other like so. Stick your thumb in the middle, and there you have a goose. Honk, honk. Honk. If you want to make a chicken, you're going to hold your two hands together like this, cross them with your two pinkies open, point it towards yourself, like so. Bark, 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 bark. And there you have a chicken. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make shadow puppets today with me. You can do this for your parents or your friends at home. All you need is a light source, a wall, and obviously your hands. You could even put up a little nice curtain made out of cardboard to make it all nice and fancy and actually look like a theater, but you obviously don't have to. This in and of itself is incredibly entertaining and a lot of fun to do. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this week's craft, and I'll see you next week with another one. Bye!